Hi guys, so I'm going to try something new today for our mini lesson, and I am going to try to go on Spelling City, which hopefully you can see that on your screen right now, and I'm going to try to take a practice vocab test, and I want you to go through this video with me and act as if you are with me and you are answering the questions. So let's just see how this goes. I am logged in as a student who is no longer in our class or at our school. So let's see how this goes.
Get ready for the practice test.
Oh,
Don't peek at your list. Begin. Choose the word that's being defined.
The words in a printed piece of writing.
the words in a printed piece of writing. Well, let's go through capitalization.
Capitalization.
Nope, that's capitalizing words or letters. Introduction, that is the beginning of something. So I don't think that has anything to do with words on a printed piece of writing. Text.
Text.
I think it's text.
The act of making letters uppercase.
The act of making letters uppercase. Well, what do we call a letter when we make it uppercase? We call it a capital letter. So our answer here would be conclusion. No. I think it's capitalization.
Introduction.
Next.
The result, end or finish of something.
So the result, the end, or finish of something. Well, we have not used context. Context is how something is used in a sentence or how something is used. Introduction, that's the beginning. So that's not the end, that's the beginning. But conclusion is the opposite of introduction. So the opposite of the beginning is the end. So I think this one's conclusion.
The beginning section.
The beginning section. Well, we already used the word text. We already used capitalization. And we already used conclusion. So we're looking at introduction and context. So introduction, when we say here's an intro or here's the introduction, that always comes at the beginning. So this one I'm going to say is introduction.
The information surrounding a word or phrase that determines exactly how it was meant.
Okay, the information surrounding a word or phrase that determines exactly how it was meant. So we have used 4 of our words. So really the only word we have left is context. And think about a context clue. When we see something in our reading or in a piece of writing that we don't know what it means, we look at our context clues, so the words or the sentences around it to help us figure out what it means. So to me, this one would be context.
You found the correct definition for 5 out of 5 words.
Heck
That's
yes.
100%. Good job.
Thank you. So that was just a little practice test. I hope that you followed along with me and that you tried to answer as if it was your real test. So that was a little practice. If you noticed that you missed a couple, that's okay. Now you have time to look over those words and practice them some more before you take the test on your own. So good luck.